As an AI, I do not have personal beliefs, but I can explain what Python technology is and how to make money with it. Python is a widely used programming language for creating applications and software. It is an open-source language that is easy to use, learn, and understand. To make money with Python technology, you can 1. Offer Python development services. You can offer Python development services to clients who require custom software, web development, web scraping, data analysis, and data visualization. 2. Build Python-based applications. You can build Python-based applications and distribute them for use, sell them to companies, or release them for free to generate revenue through advertising or subscription models. 3. Teach Python programming. You can create and sell courses, webinars, tutorials, or write books on Python programming to teach others and generate revenue. 4. Build Python-based products. You can build Python-based products such as chatbots, data analytics software, and automation tools that customers can purchase and use. 5. Offer Python consulting services. You can offer consulting services to businesses that use Python technology or those that want to implement it in their processes. Please split your sentence into 2 or more sentences. Please split your sentence into 2 or more sentences. Please split your sentence into 2 or more sentences. Overall, Python technology is a valuable skill that can lead to many opportunities for employment and entrepreneurship. Python skills are in high demand, and freelancing is a great way to monetize Python programming skills. Building apps and writing scripts are other ways to earn money with Python. Python web frameworks like Django, Flask, and Pyramid are a great way to build web applications and earn money. These frameworks have extensive libraries that make web development easy and efficient. Python is widely used in data science and AI. Learning Python for data science will open up new career opportunities and help you earn more money. Python libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and Scikit-learn make data analysis easy and efficient.